Hello food lovers. Today we're going to make a vanilla chunky coconut bar ice cream. Oh my sweetness. You're gonna love this one. Let's have a look at our ingredients. I got 1 liter of coconut milk, 1 liter of coconut cream, which gives us the necessary fats for the ice cream, 12 egg yolks, and I got these marvelous Madagascar vanilla. You want to know what's a good vanilla? You pinch them a little bit and you go to the edge like this, and if you see some liquid coming out, then it's no good, my friends. So it has to stay dry. Another thing is you can bend it like you wish. It will never break. It is supple. This is a good quality vanilla. And you can also see the fatty substance that's coming off the vanilla. And the most important of all is the incredible fragrance that catches you immediately. So I'm going to use 3 of them. Not going to use any sugar. We're going to use sweet condensed milk. This also gives a beautiful flavor to it. And all that's left to do is choose your favorite coconut chocolate bars. And we're going to cut these into chunks to incorporate them later on in the ice cream. As for now, keep them stored in your refrigerator. We got our egg yolks. And we're going to add the condensed milk. We're going to use about 900 grams. Give it a good whisk, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to open our vanilla beans. There you go. We're going to scrape the seeds out. Put the seeds in our preparation. There we go. We're going to add the coconut cream and the coconut milk. And we're going to give it a good whisk again for about 2 to 3 minutes. And we're going to put our vanilla beans in there as well. They are full of flavor. We're going to take a large saucepan with 1 liter of water and we're going to bring it to the boiling point. Once we're at the boiling point, lower the heat to the minimum. We're going to put our bowl on there. And now we're going to warm this up slowly. And this is going to be a sort of a custard base, also called crème anglaise. And this can take about 15 to 20 minutes. Needs a little bit of patience. To check out if your ice cream base is cooked, put a line with your finger on the spoon. And normally the line stays straight. Now we need some ice cold water, and we're going to quickly cool down our ice cream base. The quicker it's cooled down, the better it is. Now that our ice cream base is cooled down, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap, but you want to stick it on the preparation so there is no air. There's one thing I always do when I'm working with real good vanilla beans, is that I'm going to leave this in the refrigerator for 24 hours. That gives us really a very good infusion of the vanilla. So the next day we're going to cut our coconut chocolate bars. Make sure they have been in your refrigerator long enough. Now you can cut them any way you like. You can cut them in chunks like this. And we're going to preserve them in the refrigerator. So we're going to take the vanilla beans out of our ice cream base. Don't throw your vanilla beans away. Rinse them and tap them dry with some paper towel. They're still full of flavors. You can dry them and ground them into powder. Then you got vanilla powder. You can put them in a little bit of alcohol, and after a month you got vanilla extract. But you can also put one in your olive oil that you can use on your salads or any way you like. Now it's time to give our ice cream base a real good whisk, because the one important ingredient in ice cream is air. So I want to put at least 30% air in my ice cream base, which means I'm going to whisk the cream for at least 5 minutes. It is the air in the ice cream that's going to keep your ice cream smooth and creamy in the freezer. I've been whisking it for 8 minutes, so we're ready to make our ice cream. If you don't have an ice cream maker, follow these steps. For those who have an ice cream maker, turn on your machine for 10 minutes to cool down the machine and to cool down your bucket. 10 minutes later, we're going to add our ice cream base. And it's a go for 30 minutes. And it looks absolutely amazing. And now comes the most difficult part of ice cream making. We have to give it a taste test. Look at how creamy this is, guys. Look at this. Let's give this a try. Oh my sweetness. That is so good. That Madagascar vanilla is really amazing. That shows you that good ingredients are the secret of a good ice cream. And now we have to get our ice cream as quick as possible to the freezer. That is so creamy, just amazing. A little bit of our coconut bar. A little bit more of a coconut bar. It's really up to you how much you want to put in there. And now just mix it up a little bit. And here we go, directly in the freezer. And I've still got 3 batches to do. This recipe makes a little bit more than 3 liters of ice cream. I know. It's not an easy job to taste the ice cream every time. But you know, someone has to do it. Oh yeah. Oh. Hey, oh, bravissimo, huh? I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.